So Peyton and Ryan made it over, working on the fuel tank now. They're working on putting the sender in. Doing a great job over there. I just cut in the trunk here. We had some rust holes in here, so we cut them out, and I'll make some patches for that, and we'll get them welded in. I wanted to get that cut out before we put the tank in, but probably could wait till the tank in, but we got the tanks here, it's in the way, so we're just gonna get in. Probably put as much parts on the car as you can. Seems like just keep moving forward. So I'll load them in after the tank's in, and then we're gonna, after we put the tank in, we'll work on the hubs and the rear drums. But Peyton went in here and she scraped all this real nice with a scraper. Try not to scrape the paint off as much as you could, but get the old residue off. Did a real great job. Not to break that paint so it would rust down there, but it's a really good shape. And she used brake clean on a rag and cleaned up best she could. So that's looking in really good shape. So next thing we're gonna do is get the sender locked in, and we'll put the tank in. So next step here is we got the mastic body sealer out. B11608 is the part number. The young adults are over here putting it down, putting 2 strips in. Are you putting 3 strips in or 2 strips?
Just glob it in the corner.
Oh, I gotcha.
I think she just had a little bit of extra left over.
Putting 2 strips in there, so when that tank goes down, it's got a nice vapor seal, so the water can't get up into the trunk. So we'll get it all laid out, whole perimeter, and then we'll set that tank in and screw it in. Watch out, baby. Come over here. Oh, she went underneath. All right, we're going in. It's official. And he's back from dance, ready to help. Got all their mastic down.
That yellow cord fell.
Is it behind there?
Yeah.
It is the gas gauge wire, I believe.
No, that corner there over there. Yeah, none of this.
Trying to line those holes up if you can.
Most holes are covered.
I have an awl too if you want a pointer, a little thing to go down and line the holes up with. So Peyton decided she's going to use this old 66 filler neck, and it's got the original rubber hose on it, the connector piece, but we got a brand new one from CJ Pony Car Parts. So we're going to use that instead, but use the original filler neck. I think we're going to use... I think she might want to use the original neck. You going to use the original neck or the new one over here, babe? Doesn't matter.
New one, probably.
Okay, which is fine because he's got it in there. Correct. Yep. We have an I-66 cap. I guess is the one you picked, right, babe?
Yeah. You mean the original one?
Yeah.
The original's pretty
correct.
It just adds to the, just think about a fully restored vehicle. You just have one cracked glass cap.
Save it so when it's fully restored, you can put it on.
Correct.
There you go.
Am I doing it like this?
Yep, just like that. And you got to put you're going to put your rubber hose on. You're putting that in there.
Yeah.
You're going to want to take this piece now. That.
Just like this?
Yeah.
Don't forget your clamps too. You want to slide your clamps on there before you put it together.
Like right here?
Yeah, you can do it after you put your rubber on though. Get rubber on first.
Rubber on
yeah.
first.
Then before you put the rubber on the bottom of the tank there, I would put them on.
Definitely going to use a lot of force. So.
For what, this?
Yeah.
Trying to scratch the top of that tank too as you're pushing down, if you could avoid it.
Why couldn't you just put that one on right away?
Because it couldn't fit through the hole then. I'm going to tell you to do this.
Want some Windex? Good.
Okay, now you take your 2 clamps. I'll let you do that now. Take your 2 clamps, just bring them all the way up here, and then you're just going to hold the back of this part, and then just pretty much...
They're not going to fit.
Yeah, they will. They should. They did.
We gotta loosen them up a little bit. Make sure they're clocked the same way too, like the bolts coming in from the same side.
I hope they fit back on there.
He has the marker and he drew out his plan, and LeBron James is coming over to Bugs Bunny and trying to take the marker, but he's seeing the Don't Touch It song and he actually can't get it. And he has the marker in his hand, he's going kick to step. And he's like, and he can't even get it. I mean,
There you go.
He can't get it. It's super funny.
You might have to work that clamp up a little bit and then keep working that down. .66 filler neck on there so we can run the 66 cap that we got from the Rasmussens. Totally cool.
Is this gap okay?
She's a little crooked, but she'll be all right.
Well, it's because that's crooked, that middle part.
Gotcha. You're doing great. Proud of you. See if she spins on there.
Error.
You happy with that?
Yeah.
Okay. What? 66 cap going on. A cap with history. I think you gotta turn it back a little bit towards you first. Maybe. Maybe it's going on. Oof. What? This is a little crooked, huh? I wonder if that's why these are clocked. So you can kind of clock this whole thing and spin it a little bit.
I bet.
That's why, but this one's not clocked.
No.
So I think it is what it is, you mean?
Yeah,
Right?
Crooked pony.
You just leave it like that too. Just, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Oof. Yeah. Okay, so we're working on the brake drums. They're professionals already after 2 of them. Getting the adjusters loosened up. Drums pulled right off.
They've all been up. So last week.
Was your hand in there?
Yeah.
Sorry.
Missing a finger down.
I'm wearing gloves, so it's okay.
You're doing great.
It's hard to.
You're going the right direction, that's for
Yeah,
sure.
it's just hard to get a grip on it.
Yeah.
Doing great. This front one's not looking as bad as the back ones. As far as shoe wear. Whatever way you start with, go opposite of that. Because I could move this one before.
Which I just learned that myself, so I didn't realize it insinuated.
There we go.
Spider rays are big.
I don't know if it's on.
Yeah, she's recording, I think. Ugh. Gosh.
Not mouse and fest.
I think we're just going to throw all this away.
I would.
Good job looking at the shot of that grease marks up there from the San Jose assembly plant. Somebody scratched something in here. GHS?
Yeah, I was going to say G.
Get to high school! GHB, maybe?
Yeah.
Or
I thought that was one of the guys on the assembly line.
CP.
It's pretty cool.
Heck yeah.
Still got
Looking
stickers
good.
on it.
Oh yeah, Monroe shocks on her. You know it. Maybe not.
Whatever. You can do one and I can do one.
Let's see if you
try
can.
it?
Yeah, see if you can just take like a half a nip it. Just a little bit of time. You mean? You're doing a great job. Just take out like a half, maybe. Of what you mean?
There we go.
Getting her?
Yeah.
Good job. No brake fluid coming out?
I don't think so. Not yet.
Yeah. There wasn't much of a pedal, I'll tell you, after sitting for 38 years, whatever it was, in that backyard. So, good job. And then we'll just take those 4 bolts off and whoop.
Okay.
Hopefully we'll drop that whole thing. What size was that?
916.
Like 16. I think we'll try, one of these we're going to have to get with a wrench. Mm-hmm. And I can help you with that. Let me get one. To the right, in the wrench drawer. That first French door is SAE, the bottom one's metric. How's it going?
Good.
Might have to take a little tapping. We have to pound those studs through a little bit too on the back side. Just tap them.
Are you doing this to the back too?
What's that?
Are you doing this to the back?
Nope. Coming from up top.
We might have to turn the wheel.
Like this?
I'd come in like this. Ah.
I don't know if it's tall enough.
This one's probably gonna come off. So we'll let you do that, hon.
Okay.
This one a little bit.
That top one?
Yeah.
I made that. Alrighty.
Pull that backing plate off. Now let's look at that one bolt that's gonna.
Yeah.
We'll do that one later.
I think we just tap it up a little bit.
Spin it.
Right here.
I'm not doing
There you
it.
go.
No.
Did you
You're
not?
doing it.
Uh-uh.
I think it's moving.
I was gonna say, try it one more time. I'm pretty sure it just came out a little bit.
Try the top one. Here I stand here with no glasses on. I'm shielded by the camera. You want to grab it because it's going to fall probably. Sounds good.
Tell me you're good.
There you go.
Perfect.
Yay!
Good job. It was a dog fight, but we got him.